Can you have multiple workflows in a classic business project? There was a question asked on the community about how can I create a multi workflows in a classic business project? Now, this question is a bit, um, it is not really clear what this user is trying to ask, but it seems like this user is trying to create multiple workflows or trying to use multiple workflows within the same project. And the question is probably about whether this is possible on a business-based project. So basically, if you're using, let us say, Jira Core, I guess. Now the answer is yes. If you're using Jira for non-technical work and you're using a business type of template, when you create a new project, you have the option to use, to basically select whether you want to create a business type project or maybe software or maybe service management. Then after you create a project, you can of course modify it by simply going to the schemes, and you have plenty of things that you can do. Of course, when you're using the free version, you do have some limitations when it comes to the permissions, but if you want to modify the workflow scheme, you can. And to answer your question, if your question is all about using multiple workflows, you can. So I was trying to read this particular question and all the replies, and other people were asking the same question about what do you mean by multiple workflows. Now the user actually replied back with a bit more clarification about I have a subtask that need to be on a workflow A and some that I want on workflow B. So it seems like this user is trying to use multiple workflows based on the issue type. So yes, the answer is definitely possible in case you are trying in case you are trying to use multiple workflows for different issue types. But if your question is can you use multiple workflows for the same type of issue, like for example you have a bug, not a bug because you're talking about business type of project. Let us say you have one issue in Jira of type, let us say legal, for example. I'm trying to imagine, or maybe just a task. But for the same issue type, can you have a different workflow? No, that is not really possible. You can have different workflows, but you need to map them to different issue types. And of course, that can be configured in your issue type scheme. In case you think you don't really want to use separate issue types, then in that case, try to create a workflow that allows some transitions to skip other statuses. For example, you can have let us say 3 or 4 or maybe a bit more than 4, let us say 5 or 6 statuses. Now your workflow need not to be like sequential. I mean, you may not really want your issues life cycle to follow and go through each and every status. You can actually have transitions to skip the unnecessary statuses. For example, you can have a workflow with to do, in progress, review, on hold, and then finally resolve and closed. You can have, of course, the transitions from to do to then in progress to then in review and maybe optionally to on hold and finally to resolve. And of course, once you're done with everything, then you can close it. But sometimes you may not really want, so let us say you're doing some small activity that doesn't really require in progress status. You can directly then move from open to resolve. So let us say you take a look at the issue, you deliver it, you do it, and then you directly within 2 minutes you can move it to resolve. In that case, you can directly add a transition from on hold to resolve. So not on hold, but from open to resolve. But you can actually design your workflow to basically allow these transitions. But for using different workflows, you need to have different issue types. And of course, this can be managed. This has to be managed in your workflow scheme. So I thought I'll probably talk about this in case you are a new Jira administrator, or maybe you're a new Jira user, but you are trying to challenge your Jira administrator. So you can use this knowledge to let your admin know that this is your requirement, and your Jira administrator can probably help you with either redesigning the workflow or maybe creating a different workflow for a different issue type. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.